Okay guys, so it's been 24 hours and I let these lids dry up. I painted them blue and one purple. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is pop open these. We don't know what character is inside, so it's a surprise. These come with some confetti, so we will be using this to put inside the snow globe. Put them to the side. Now let's see who we got here. Oh, look who we got. We got Elsa. Now let's see who we got in this box. Now let's see who we have here. Yes, we got Olaf. Woohoo! There we go, Olaf. So I also bought these. I didn't get them from Michael's or Target, but I got these from Dollar Tree. They were $1. So I'm gonna use these trees, maybe the small one, not the big one because it won't fit in the snow globe. And I have the white one and I also have the green with some snowflakes. So we'll be using these two. So the next thing we're going to do is put the inside of the lid in here. And now we are going to glue it to the lid. Now carefully we're going to use the glue gun and put some, just a little bit right here for Elsa. We're going to glue her right there. Just let it sit for a couple of minutes. And while we wait for that, we can also put the tree in there. Gonna put it back here. Just like that. Put the tree in here. Right behind her. So once that dries up, next step will be put distilled water inside of here. Add some of this glycerin. Just a little bit, not too much. Add some glitter. Again, not too much. Maybe add some of this confetti. Just a little bit, a couple of them. Now we're gonna put this upside down. Make sure it's closed very tight. Now the next thing we're going to do is put some of these foam glitter stickers right here, just to make it look prettier. So next we have Olaf. I'm gonna add this one, this tree right here.